What's happening? Jonatha Brooke's So Much Mine. It's a really nice piece of guitar playing that I've kind of discovered some new elements that I missed last time around, so I'm going to go through it again. Jonatha Brooke, So Much Mine. So I was just playing the verse part, which I'm just going to play through and talk through a little bit, and then do the pre-chorus and the chorus even. And I just learned them, so we'll see how this goes. Verse is E. She's playing fingers 1, 2, and 3, just a basic E chord. Then she plays this chord kind of defies names. She's playing with her first finger, 4th fret of the low E string, and it's also muting the A string. And then she's using her 2nd, 3rd fingers, or maybe her 3rd and I'm not sure. Either 2nd and 3rd and 3rd and 4th. I usually use my 2nd finger, so that's what you're going to see me do here, but you could also use these 3 fingers. 4th fret of the 6th string, 4th string, and 3rd string, with the top 2 strings droning. And then she plays this. It's an A major 7th chord. This is a tough chord to name. It's sort of an E chord with the 3rd in the bass. That's what I would call it. It's E9 with the 3rd in the bass, probably the best name for it. This is an A major 7 chord, and she actually, it looks like she's fretting on her version on YouTube the B string with her 2nd finger like this, but I think it sounds nice with that B string still droning, so I don't actually put my middle finger back there. And this is what? It's a B chord add 4, so it's just a B chord on the bottom 4 strings, and still the B and E strings droning out. So 5th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret, open, open. Again, normal E chord, 4, 4, 4, open, open, 1, mute that A string underneath your index finger, 6, 1st finger on the 5th fret, 6th fret, 6th fret, open, open, 7, 9, 9, 8, open, open. And she does do a little bit of right hand palm muting that kind of escaped me the first time I listened to it. And she'll actually does a little bit of left hand muting too. You'll see her sometimes, not every time, but up, up, up. Okay, so I want to show you the right hand because there's a lot of mojo going on here. So there's the E chord, and you can see I'm doing a little bit of palm damping. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's just she's really kind of stirring it up. So when she comes on the beat with those downstrokes, she's playing the palm mute. I'm going to try to show you that even better. And a little slower. One more time. And notice the hand's going to stay in constant motion. So she's kind of moving back and forth between the middle strings and the higher strings. So it's down, up, down, up. So if I put it together with both hands again. Like so. Not too bad. Very, very nice. her pre-chorus, she plays again the E chord, and then she plays, it looks like she's playing a C sharp minor 7 like this. And for me, switching between such a full E major voicing and this C sharp minor voicing without having the electric guitar accompaniment, maybe playing the solo, I would maybe prefer to play this C sharp minor 7th with that same E and B drone. So that's how I'm going to play it. So I'm just basically playing a power chord. Yeah. And then letting the B string and E string fill in the 7th of the chord and the 3rd of the chord. And then I just move my index finger over to make that A major 7. Again, key is muting the A string underneath your index finger. B and E strings ringing out, and then F sharp minor 11. Again, I think she probably uses her first finger there, but I'm going to use my second. Sorry about that. And I might do a little bit of that stirring up, kind of like I was doing on the verse there. She's actually playing this 4th voicing. It's very nice. And I think she's actually doing it with 4 fingers, like so. For me, it's easier to play this barring it across the 4th and 3rd strings there, and then using my 3rd and 4th fingers on the B and E strings, the 1st and 2nd strings. And she moves that whole grip up by 1 fret. And I think she's probably also muting the A string with the tip of her index finger like that. Or, yeah, probably like that as she does it, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. Right? And so I go down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And he switched to just a regular old A sus2, perhaps muting the low E string with your thumb. Perhaps not. Somebody do that again. And then this is an A minor 9th chord. Again, I'm muting the low E string with my thumb. I've got the bass note on the 5th string open, 5th fret on the D, 5th fret on the G, open, again, B string, open E string. And I'm using my 2nd and 3rd fingers so that I can get my 1st finger back here at the 4th fret. Move a little better into the frame, apologies. Again. One more time. So, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same thing. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down. That's basically the 3 parts of the song. It's really nice guitar playing and very beautiful singing. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Love to hear from you. Okay, thanks for watching.